Hi guys, and today's the first episode, and today
Oh,
we're on.
what?
Go away. There's
No.
and we're gonna be on Hypixel. Okay, we're playing SkyWars.
I need to load up Minecraft.
You deleted it?
Yes, what do you think I was doing? I thought you were gonna take like 3 hours.
That was only like 5 minutes.
What do you mean 5 minutes? I got. Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, it felt like longer. It's
Felt.
probably like 6 minutes. But here on the episode, it says 3 minutes and 54 seconds. But there were also ads, so probably like 6 minutes.
No, it means like 3 minutes. The ads will just add like 1 minute to it.
Okay, then it's 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Still took a while.
Probably like 4.5 minutes. You're still exaggerating.
Whatever. And on.
Okay. So, party.
Need to type.
Okay, Vivian, join.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, apparently, like, I was just reading these signs in the info. It says, like, insane isn't as fair as normal.
No way.
Yeah. I didn't know that. I thought...
You don't think it's fair if someone gets full diamond armor in their chest and someone just gets a diamond chest plate and iron boots? You don't think that's not fair?
I thought that was perfectly fair.
That's not fair.
I thought they gave you like better bows and stuff, and like you traded off for armor and stuff. Like for a better bow.
They didn't put that much thought into this.
I put that much thought into it. Like I spent 30 minutes standing there just thinking one day.
What did you have this time? Were you in like a class or something? Pay attention, Ryan.
Well, I was bored because I had all my work done, so I was just like sitting there, and I'm like, wait a minute.
How long are your classes?
Classes. Duh. Okay. So, are we doing insane or normal?
Insane.
Okay.
It's not fun if it's fair.
It's pretty fun when it's fair.
Not always, though.
Oh, Vivian.
What?
Actually, no, I'll tell you after this. Okay. So, it's this map, Vivian. Don't die, like always.
I won't die. I'll be fine. The question is, will you die?
I never die. I'm amazing like that. Okay,
I
Vivian.
don't believe that.
I'll keep
You need
watch.
armor? No.
Hey, Vivian, we can attack these people first. Look, they have nothing.
You should take the helmet.
Okay. See, look, I'm cool now. Okay, Vivian, tell me if anyone comes out, okay?
Okay.
Is anyone coming? I'm scared.
No.
We should probably start stacking up, like...
I don't even think it's there. Roar!
Ah! Oh.
No one's here.
I thought someone was gonna be here. I thought it was gonna be cool like that. Wait, is there actually stuff in the chest? No. Oh, these people went over to that island to kill those people at the very beginning.
Oh.
Oh, look, this place actually has stuff, Vivian. Get it!
Okay, I'm going down.
There's a helmet in here for you. Mine a hole. Vivian, I'm trapped down here and there's nothing in the chest.
You don't have blocks?
I have plenty of blocks. You're just blocking my way up.
No, 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 dang it, you got out before I could block you in.
Wow, that's not nice.
Not that you couldn't break it.
I couldn't. I don't have any tools.
Pickaxe?
I have like a
My Minecraft
pickaxe.
froze, Ryan.
I only have
Ryan,
a...
my Minecraft
No!
froze. Ryan!
Vivian! Wait,
Ryan!
but you're shifting.
Are you there? Can you hear me?
But
Ryan,
you're shifting.
no!
But you're shifting. No! No! We're doomed. Oh, are you back? No! 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 Who's going to help me now? Who's going to help me now, Vivian? I watched you explode in front of my eyes.
Right.
Who's going to protect
My
me?
internet didn't stop.
I'm going to charge into mid now. I bet it's the smartest idea I've had. I think that's the best idea I've had. Okay. Yeah, true.
Are you kidding me? No! No, not floral thieves too. Are you kidding me? They're making me. Oh no, VG person, no!
Ah, so much lag.
Ryan, they're
Lag.
ruining it. They're
Ah, so much. I did it. Whoa. Oh, I'm so cool. Did I just explode all of them at the same time? I have like 5 frames per second. No, 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 no. I won. I won. Vivian, I won.
legit.
Yes, I won.
That's nice. But they took down VG person.